95 YJ with some WD Automotive Grabars. On Oakland Road, North York, Ontario, from a YJ, 95 YJ, part number 1019, YJ Grabars, and the set with grips. Bar 1, Bar 2, Bar instructions. WD Automotive, thank you for your business. I cut my finger here. So there's one of them. I'm gonna go get my camera. There it is. Much easier to use. Okay. That's what the Grabar is going on. 95 YJ. Just take this out to the passenger side just to see how it would fit. Two sets of mirrors on her there. I got the ones on the door and the ones when the doors are off. There's another thing I bought from JustJeeps, from rough country seat covers. They fit like a glove, really nice. Fit nice front seat and the back seat covers. It looks like they will go right on there. WD Automotive sent a nice little thank you for your business card, and very nice to do that. Send a little magnet. Send a little WD Automotive sticker. Instructions. Front YJ TJ Grabar handles. Very simple instructions. And if you get a TJ 2004-2006, got instructions for removing the plastic trim and stuff to get them on. Maybe hard to do with one hand. Another thing with these grab handles is they're solid steel. They're not tubes. Solid steel. They will last. Okay. This is a tube that's on the roll bar. There it is with the bolts out. And get that one started. Not the best thing to do with one hand, but try it just to show you how easy it is to do. The second one, start with one hand. Got it started, but I can't get the camera focus. There we go. Got it started. So I just get that. I don't want to cross-thread that, so. before, so only handing it. They're installed. I'm sure it'd be a 2-minute job with 2 hands. Put the sun visor back down. So there's the grab hands installed. And rock the whole Jeep with it. Okay, now we're going to put in the driver's side. And here's the driver's side going in. Fits like a glove. Beauty. I love it. Man, that should be easy getting in. Instead of grabbing up here, try and get in, or grabbing up here, instead of grabbing on the steering wheel, try and get in. Just grab here, rock the whole Jeep. Step up onto the rock guard. Oh yeah, I love it. I'm so impressed with the Grabars, how easy they went on and everything. I may buy myself some boot bars. Go on the bottom hinge of your Jeep, of your YJ. I give WD Automotive a spot in my Trail Edition Jeep 95 YJ.